All right, let's get set up in the Free Plus Shipping app. So when you open the app, you're going to see all of your products set up here. And we're just going to show you how to get the app set up when you first get in there. So first thing to note, if you want a follow along tutorial, you just go to the help and click launch products tutorial. That'll walk you through step by step. Or you can just follow the steps outlined in this video. The choice is yours. So first we want to create our first Free Plus Shipping rate. So let's go to, say we want it for the socks. We just click create Free Plus Shipping rate, and you have to assign it per domestic or rest of world or whatever other shipping zones you have set up. And then you need to name the rate. This is what the customer will see. So we'll say Free Plus Shipping Insured. And here you see the quantity of the number that the customer will order, the price per unit, and then this just calculates the total. So for example, we have $5 for the first unit. If you want to give them a little bit of a deal, if they order 2, $4.50 each, or $9 if they order 3. You can set it up at, keep it going, $4, and kind of keep it going that way. Now, the key to note here is, what if the customer orders 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or whatever? It's just going to apply the last rate that you set for the given quantity. So if they order 5, for example, with this setup, it's going to be $4 per unit or $20 total, etc., etc. So we have that set up and saved, and you can see that it is applied. Now, if we want to apply this same rate to other products, we can easily go in here, assign Free Plus Shipping rate, and assign that rate that we already created, or we can just go ahead and click this next to the product and create a new Free Plus Shipping rate with different rates per product. You also need to set up rest of world. So if we wanted to set up another shipping zone here, we just go to new Free Plus Shipping rate. We can set it here, rest of world, Free Plus Shipping, insured, etc., etc. So that's set up, and now we can apply that. Excuse me, apply that here. So now we have both applied for the socks. So easy to set up there. The next thing you want to do is you can really go and look at a sample order. So this is just a way to make sure all your shipping is working correctly, and you can add different products. So if we add the socks in there, and let's increase the quantity to 3. All right, so I haven't gone in and changed the price of the socks to 0, so you do that in the normal product tab, but that's why you see the price there. And then this is your shipping cost calculator. You see the Free Plus Shipping that we just set up for domestic is showing up just fine. And the question is, what is this insured shipping domestic? Well, I had some other rates set up in my Shopify store that is pulling in. It was a price-based rate, and so we need to delete those to make sure that they're not showing up. So all of your shipping needs to be run in the app. Now what we have is the shipping rules, and you can set up price and waste bait rules in the actual app. That's easy to do. Just click this and there you go, set it up. Looks very similar to how it is in Shopify. Or I already have some rates set up, so why don't I just import them? Easy enough, and you can see now I have all of these set up perfectly. Now the key after you get them all set up is you want to go to your settings, go to the shipping zone, and you need to delete all of these that you had before. So you don't want double the rates to show up. So we just go in and delete those rates. And let's do the same thing for international. All right, these are already in my app, so in the Free Plus Shipping app, so we don't need them. All right, so all those are deleted. So we go back to the app. We'll go through here. All right, so it's loading up again. Everything looks good. So we have all of our free plus shipping rates. Let's go to the sample order tab. We have all of those rates that were previously in Shopify that are weight and price-based rules. These are all price-based rules, but will look very similar if you have weight-based rules. And let's do that same thing again. We can add the product. Now we only see that free plus shipping rate, which is exactly what we want. All right, so you can see that that's showing up perfectly there, and that's exactly what the customer is going to see on the front of your site. And the reason that we do this is, hey, what if I have a free plus shipping rate and a more expensive product that's not free, obviously. So we want to be able to apply the free plus shipping rate and the normal rates. So let's add a few other products. We already have the socks. Let's add these two, which will have price-based rates. So you can see these two are going to have the price-based weights apply. And in here, a bit of a number issue, but you can see, all right, the total shipping is 13 because we have 1 free plus shipping and product and 2 insured domestic shipping products. So that's really the big differentiator with our app, is that you can do both a free plus shipping item and a weight-based item in the same cart. And ultimately, if you're doing a free plus shipping product, you want to be selling those more expensive items because that's where you're going to really make the money. So that's really it. It's all easy to set up. Again, if you want to walk all the way through it, just go to our help section and launch product tutorial, or as you've seen, it's pretty easy to figure out on your own. But good luck, and please enjoy free plus shipping.